In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add quantity to products on your Shopify store. Whether you're new to e-commerce or an experienced entrepreneur looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will provide you with the necessary steps to manage your inventory effectively. First, let's start by navigating to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser, type in the official Shopify website, and hit enter. Once the page is loaded, you will see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure you input the email address associated with your Shopify store. After entering your email, click Next to move forward. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in the correct password that corresponds with the email address you provided earlier. After inputting your password, click on Login to access your Shopify dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Shopify admin panel. From here, look for the My Store option, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a dashboard that provides an overview of your store's activities. The next step involves managing your products. On the Shopify admin panel, find the Products section. This is where all your inventory is displayed. Click on Products to view a list of items you're currently selling. Now let's select the product you want to update. For this example, click on a product named Transparent Glass. It's important to choose the exact product you want to edit to ensure accuracy in inventory management. Upon selecting your product, you'll be taken to a detailed page where you can see all the information related to that specific item. Here, locate the field where you can type in the desired product quantity. Ensure the number you input reflects the current stock levels you wish to maintain. After updating the quantity, don't forget to click on Save. This action ensures all the changes you've made are applied and stored correctly. It's a crucial step to prevent any loss of data or inaccuracies in your inventory count. Moving on, for more detailed inventory management, go to the Inventory section under the same product details page. Here you can edit the available amount more precisely. It offers the opportunity for a more granular control of your stock levels, especially useful for items with variant levels such as sizes or colors. Finally, once all changes are made and saved, it's always a good practice to go back to the products page and check the inventory. This step is to verify that all updates are accurately reflected, ensuring your inventory count is up to date. By doing so, you avoid discrepancies that might lead to overselling or underselling, which can significantly affect customer satisfaction. Throughout this process, remember, inventory management is key to the success of your e-commerce business. Keeping an accurate count of your products not only helps in meeting customer demand, but also in planning for future purchases and sales strategies. Now that we've walked through the steps of adding quantity to products on Shopify, you're well equipped to manage your inventory more efficiently. Always take the time to perform inventory checks regularly and update product quantities as needed to maintain a seamless operation within your Shopify store. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has provided you with clear and helpful guidance on managing your Shopify inventory. Remember, a well-organized inventory leads to greater efficiency and profitability for your business.